Why do we yawn when someone else does, even if we're not tired? It's called contagious yawning, and it might reveal more about your brain than you think. One theory says yawning helps us regulate temperature in the brain, like a built-in cooling system. But contagious yawning? That's social. It's been linked to empathy, mirror neurons, and our ability to understand others' emotions. You're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you care about than from a stranger. Even some animals like chimps and dogs do it too. But here's the strange part. We still don't fully know why it happens. It's one of those things your body does without asking permission. Did you yawn just watching this?